Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming location access and basic connectivity so the search works. Open Settings, make sure Find My and Location services are active. This lets Apple show the last known position. Once done, enable Bluetooth and keep your iPhone within about 30 meters of where you expect the AirPods. Proximity improves tracking and sound play accuracy. Also glance at battery level in the Find My app, because dead AirPods can only show the last seen location, not live tracking. You now use the Find My app to narrow the search. Tap Devices and select your AirPods Pro. The app shows a last seen pin and, if in range, a live location. If the map indicates nearby, press play sound and move slowly while listening. Left/right balance helps you pinpoint which bud is where. If the app shows a distant last seen spot, follow directions to that address. Once you arrive, re-enable play sound and sweep the area methodically to avoid missing them. You finish by combining physical search with app safeguards. Systematically check pockets, bags, car seats, and couch cushions. Use a flashlight at low angle to catch small glossy surfaces. If you still can't find them, enable Mark as Lost in Find My to display your contact info if someone finds them and to lock pairing. If AirPods are offline, note the last seen time and revisit that area. If you suspect theft, contact Apple support and local authorities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.